Hey guys, today is Tuesday, first trading day of the week because Monday was a stock market holiday. Basically, the indices is down a little bit, not much movement, maybe because there's not much news as well. The purpose of this video is to update you on a few closing trades that I have and update you what is going on in my portfolio and also a new trade as well. Let's jump in and I'll show you more. Okay, so we are on my screen right now. Since my last update, I believe I was updating on MRNA, a big win of $58. But subsequently, a few days later, actually, my two trades on KO hit my stop loss because KO gap up, right? Okay, and one of my trades actually on KO made me bigger than normal losses, right? So it was a $52 loss, which is quite big, right? Considering my risk should be around $20 of loss, it gapped to $52 of loss. Unexpected, right? But a good thing my MRNA had big wins, right? So always manage your risk so that even though you expect a small risk, market might gap and you might get a slightly bigger loss, right? Okay. And also Intel also hit my stop loss because Intel rally a lot, right? Okay, it's good thing to hit the stop loss to make sure it's a small loss. And Nvidia kept on going up and hit my take profit, which gave me a kind of bigger win, right? $30, right? So when I lose, roughly is $20 except for those unexpected ones, $15 and you see $29 of profit and $23 of loss, $18 and so on, and $46 of win, right? So normally the wins is bigger, generally overall bigger than the stop losses, right? Okay. And today I tried to go in on KO, right? Coca-Cola, and because it triggered today, which I will show you later on. But very importantly, I mistaken Intel as Coca-Cola, right? Okay, so I closed it immediately for a $3 loss. So new trade was on Coca-Cola, right? Okay, over here. It triggered today after gapping up, right, hitting my stop losses. Now it triggered again, so I took the trade again, right? But this time with reduced risk, right? But with reduced risk, even if it hit my take profit level here, I will still make a bigger profit, right? Okay. And overall, as you can see, Apple is still going higher, right? From my entry level. So this is a new trade as well since last week. And also Google, right? Triggered last week and now is coming back down, almost hitting my stop loss, right? Okay, keeping my fingers crossed on this trade. And KO is a new trade which I just show you, and Pfizer is gradually giving me profit. Haven't hit my take profit yet, right? Okay, but we see how it goes, right? So I'm also still looking at other triggers to put in new trades as well, especially Bank of America. But very importantly, this is a trade that I closed last Friday, right? Okay. I was sleeping, and in fact, it hit my take profit when I was sleeping, right? Okay, which is a great thing. Yeah, overall, as you can see, my portfolio went down a little bit because of that KO loss, right? So now my equity is down to around $4,790, right? Including the running losses of around $11, right? The portfolio is still doing fine, right? Compared with a few months ago, it's still overall up a little bit. But very importantly here, I want to say here is that we never know how the portfolio will go, right? But as long as we make sure we manage our risk and make sure like when we win bigger than our losses, such that overall we could actually see our portfolio go much higher. Of course, there are times of drawdown. That's not possible 100% of the time throughout the year, the portfolio will keep on going up, right? Okay, maybe once in a while, but a lot of times when we trade, there will be periods of drawdown, and this could be a period of drawdown. And during periods of drawdown, especially when we have lesser trades, is even better. And during periods of drawdown, if we can minimize our drawdown percentage, right, and minimize our drawdown into our capital, right, is better, right? Okay, so you can see my portfolio have a drawdown since last week, but yet it's not down a lot, just down a little bit, right, which is fantastic, right? Okay, so so that when the good times come, which it will also, we are going to get more profits and make sure our equity or capital go much deeper into profits as well, right? Okay, and hopefully you have been doing well in your own trading as well. And this is the update I want to let you know of what is going on since my last video. And if you are interested to see how I actually use my profit signal trading the portfolio, how the profit signal can help us save a lot of time monitoring ourselves, and also help us to make sure we know when is the right time and right price to go in. Do sign up somewhere in the link around this video. Do sign up for my free training and attend it. And during that training, I'll share with you more in depth on how I actually use my profit signal, right? That's all from me. May the profits be with you, and good night. See you soon.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.